We're going to discuss the components of and setting up and teardown of the Journeyman Hammock Camp Bed. Contained within the oversized compression stuff sack is everything you need to get your Journeyman Hammock Camp safely hung and ready for your rest and relaxation. Begin by releasing the compression straps completely. This takes the pressure off of the buckles and also prepares the stuff sack for teardown when it's time to break camp. Opening the drawstring reveals the suspension system. The suspension is kept in its own stuff sack to help keep any dirt or tree sap that may have accumulated on the straps away from your bed. Each suspension strap consists of 4 parts. A carabiner for connecting to the bed, a stainless steel infinitely adjustable quick release slide buckle, release handle, and strap with end loop. The suspension is installed by slinging the looped end around the anchor. And passing the carabiner, slide buckle, and strap through the loop, creating a girth hitch. Adjust the height to about 6 foot, or as high as comfortable for you to reach. The length of the strap is adjustable by pulling on the strap tail to tighten. Once adjusted, pull on the carabiner to lock the slide buckle. Repeat at anchor number 2. The continuous loops in the ends of the hammock bed serve as the connection point to the suspension. Do not fully remove the bed from the stuff sack, but rather attach one loop to a carabiner and deploy the bed as you move towards the second anchor. This method will help keep the bed from accidentally hitting the ground and picking up any dirt. Adjust the suspension so that the seat height of the hammock is roughly at your hips. Be sure that the ridgeline is pulled taut, not too tightly. Take care to make adjustments to bring the ridgeline level. An angled ridgeline will result in your body weight favoring the low side. A level ridgeline will provide the flattest, most comfortable lay. Before testing the setup, take a moment to tuck away your strap tails and check that the slide buckles are even and locked. Walk around the bed to confirm that all connections between the hammock and underquilt are intact and not tangled. Keeping the zipper pulls near the pocket will make them easy to find when it comes time to enter and exit the hammock bed. To enter the bed, open the zippers as far as needed, but still within reach once inside. Flip the bug net back, open the bed, and enter gently. You may hear and feel the suspension settle into position. Don't worry, this is natural. Make any adjustments if needed. Once comfortable, lay back and enjoy. Teardown is the opposite of setup. Begin by returning the zippers to near the pocket. Starting at one end, disconnect the continuous loop from the carabiner and begin stuffing the bed into the stuff sack. I find it helpful to roll the end a bit to assist with that initial placement in the sack. From there, just grabbing stuff as you go along until you reach the opposite anchor. Release the carabiner, finish stuffing the bed, and pull the drawstring to keep it contained. With a little practice, you'll be able to do this quickly and without anything ever touching the ground. Prepare the compression cap of the stuff sack. This is where you'll be thanking yourself for having fully released the straps earlier. Remember, you still have the suspension to put in too, if you want. Give just a gentle tug on the straps to keep it all together. Thank you for watching. Have a great hang and travel well.